question 11. Okay, absolute, we need to take the positive result, but also the negative result of the absolute. So add 1 to both sides, divide by 2, and we get 2. Get rid of the negative, so we must change the direction. Add 1 to both sides, divide by 2. Now this one goes that way, this one goes that way, so they're not joined, so we can just leave it at that. Alright, parabola, axis symmetry, negative b over 2a, so we get negative 4, so we get positive 4 over 2 ones are 2, which is 2. Now we're going to sub that in to get the minimum value. So y is 2 squared minus 4 2's minus 5, and we get minus 9. So the axis of symmetry is x equals 2, and the minimum is y equals negative 9. Alright, C, we need to differentiate. So it is the quotient rule. So u is x squared, so therefore u dash is 2x. V is x plus 1, so v dash is 1. Okay, so we have v times u dash minus u times v dash all over v squared. Expand the brackets, we get 2x squared plus 2x minus x squared all over x plus 1 squared. 2x squared minus x squared gets you an x squared plus your 2x over x plus 1 all squared. Because the top will factorise x and x plus 2, that doesn't cancel, so we can just leave it at that. Alright, D. Now this is a semicircle, mainly because if you square both sides you get y squared equals 4 minus x squared, therefore x squared plus y squared equals 4 is a whole circle, but we're only taking the positive result. So therefore the radius will be 2, so negative 2 and 2 and positive 2. The domain is from negative 2 to positive 2, and the range is from 0 to 2. Okay, E, simultaneous equations. Either multiply this equation by 2 to get both them 4x and use the elimination method, or I'm going to use the substitution method because we've got y. So bring the y over the other side, you get y equals 4x minus 5. We're going to sub that in to there, so we get 2x plus 3 lots of 4x minus 5, take away 13 equals 0. Collect like terms. So x equals 2. Sub this back into this equation. So y is 4 2's minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So the point of intersection is 2, 3. Now to prove that part 2 is that line is concurrent means that it also goes through that point. So we're going to sub that point in. So the 2 where the x is and the 3 where the y is. 6 minus 6 is 0, so this point does lie on that line, so therefore all three lines go through 2, 3, and therefore they are concurrent. Okay, triangle A, B and C. A is 45 degrees, B is 60 degrees, and B, which is opposite the big B, is 6. Find A. Okay, so we use the sine rule. A over sine 45 equals 6 over sine 60. Multiply by sine 45. Now using our exact ratios, we have 6 over sine 60 is root 3 on 2, multiplied by sine 45 is 1 on root 2. Now we're going to change this over to a divide, and then change it to a times. So it's 6 divided by root 3 on 2, so therefore it's times by root 2 on root 3. So we end up getting 12 over root 6. Now rationalise denominator, so we have times by root 6 top and bottom. So we get 12 root 6 over 6. They cancel each other, and we're left with 2 root 6.